Small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Grow plants vertically to save space. Hang pots on walls, fences, or balconies. Use dwarf or mini plant varieties. Try grow bags for veggies and herbs. Place mirrors to make the garden look bigger. Stack plants on shelves or steps. Use companion planting for better growth. Use windowsills and railings for extra planting spots. Reuse cans, bottles, and old items as plant pots. Use a small watering can for careful watering. Best combo: vertical garden plus mini plants plus shelves. More small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Place light-loving plants near sunny windows. Choose shade-tolerant plants for darker corners. Use corner plant stands to save space. Measure your space plan smart before planting. Use rainwater for eco-friendly watering. Grow herbs in mugs or teacups on your kitchen shelf. Freeze chopped herbs in ice trays with olive oil for easy cooking. Try microgreens, they grow fast and don't need much room. Stack crates or wooden boxes as DIY garden towers. Repurpose an old ladder into a plant shelf. Turn plastic bottles into hanging planters. Prune regularly to keep plants healthy and compact. Use pebbles at the bottom of pots for drainage. Buy compact tools made for small space gardening. Focus on quality soil, it makes a big difference. Best mini garden formula: sunlight plus smart layout plus tiny tools. Small garden, big impact. Even more small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Grow strawberries in hanging shoe organizers. Use a laundry basket lined with fabric for root veggies. Place wood chips on top of soil to keep moisture in. Rotate plant positions to give them equal sun. Use crushed eggshells in soil for calcium boost. Add used coffee grounds to fertilize naturally. Turn juice cartons into mini greenhouses for seedlings. Use citronella plants to keep bugs away. Place a sponge under the pot to hold extra water. Add solar lights for a cozy nighttime garden vibe. Frame a vertical herb garden like art on the wall. Set a reminder to water and check plants regularly. Paint pots with labels or fun designs. Keep garden gloves, scissors, and string in a small basket nearby. Use old newspapers as weed blockers under soil. More genius small gardening secrets. Use magnetic pots on metal surfaces like balconies. Grow citrus trees in pots. Choose dwarf varieties. Store seeds in pill boxes or small jars to stay organized. Use a spray bottle for gentle watering on seedlings. Tie plants gently with soft string or fabric strips. Use frozen sponges in pots during hot days to keep roots cool. Grow flowers with herbs to attract pollinators. Take photos of your plant progress to track growth. Use curtain rods and S-hooks to hang multiple plants. Use a shower caddy as a vertical garden holder. Keep old socks as quick plant covers during cold nights. Use coconut husk or coir as eco-friendly pot liners. Sprinkle cinnamon on soil to prevent fungus. Save seeds from tomatoes and peppers for next season. Clean dusty leaves with a damp sponge for better photosynthesis. Small space, endless garden joy. More small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Use colanders as quirky plant pots with built-in drainage. Space plants evenly to avoid overcrowding. Start seedlings in egg cartons or yogurt cups. Lean an old ladder against a wall for a plant shelf. Grow mint in pots only. It spreads fast in the ground. Sprinkle Epsom salt in soil for a magnesium boost. Sweep leaves into a compost bin. Turn waste into fertilizer. Clean pots with vinegar to kill bacteria before replanting. Use chopsticks to make perfect planting holes. Flip over crates as rustic plant stands. Stick suction cup hooks on windows to hang tiny pots. Protect plants from frost with old towels or cloth at night. Use rolling carts to move plants in and out of sunlight. Mix perlite or sand into soil for better drainage. Rotate flowering plants to keep color fresh all season. Your tiny garden can be a total showstopper. Even more small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Use old hanging baskets with coconut liners for flowers. Chill seeds in the fridge before planting for better sprouting. Collect rainwater in buckets for free watering. Bury a banana peel under plants for natural nutrients. Use aluminum foil behind plants to reflect sunlight. Place a sponge in the bottom of pots to help hold moisture. Stack plastic drawers for a DIY herb tower. Choose climbing plants like peas or beans for vertical growing. Mix crushed charcoal and soil to keep it fresh. Use binder clips to attach plant tags or hold stems gently. Keep a mini basket of garden tools by the door. Use clear plastic lids to make mini greenhouses for seedlings. Toilet paper tubes make perfect seed starters. Use old spoons or butter knives for transplanting. Sprinkle baking soda around tomatoes to sweeten them. Tiny garden, big surprise every time. More small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Stack terracotta pots in a spiral for a cool vertical garden. Bury banana peel pieces in soil for potassium-rich feeding. Use mesh laundry bags to grow onions or garlic. Move plants around weekly to give even sunlight. Use tree bark or dry leaves as natural mulch. Gently clean leaf dust with a soft toothbrush. Turn old drawers into layered planter boxes. Use twist ties to gently train climbing plants. Place white rocks around plants to reflect sunlight. Store garden tools under a bench or in a seat with storage. Plant garlic cloves directly in soil easy and low space. Group plants with similar watering needs together. Paint old pots with chalkboard paint to label easily. Use cupcake trays to organize small seedlings. Put plants on a lazy Susan to rotate them easily for sunlight. The tiniest garden can be the most creative one. More small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Use vinegar spray to clean pots and keep pests away. Cut plastic bottles into mini greenhouses for seedlings. Water plants with cooled green tea for extra nutrients. Freeze leftover veggie water and use it to water plants later. Stack milk crates to create vertical, growing cubes. Use juice lids as mini trays for small pots. Grow aloe vera. It's useful, compact, and needs little care. Use sewing pins to gently hold small vines in place. Hide plant care tips inside a gardening notebook. Place citrus peels in pots to keep bugs away. Store gloves inside empty watering cans to save space. Plant thyme or rosemary near paths. It smells amazing when brushed. Use yarn to mark rows or divide planting zones. Decorate pots with stickers or markers for fun and easy. Hang small planters off chairs or stools for extra growing spots. Small garden, endless ideas. More small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Stick lemon peels in soil to keep pests away. Grow lettuce in shallow containers fast and space-saving. Use a step stool as a tiered plant stand. Place taller plants in back, shorter ones in front for sunlight balance. Use juice boxes as fun seedling starters. Store potting soil in a sealed container to keep it fresh. Keep a mini first aid kit near your garden tools. Use wooden spoons as plant labels. Grow mushrooms in laundry baskets with a liner. Put herbs in a hanging shoe organizer on your door. Use paper clips to hold vines to thin stakes. Cool water. Use old plates under pots to catch extra water. Keep a small garden journal to remember what worked. Lay sticks or bamboo horizontally for DIY climbing support. Use cereal boxes as seed organizers. Grow spinach in pots fast growing and space friendly. Place frozen water bottles in soil on hot days to cool roots. Use muffin tins to plant small strawberries or herbs. Paint pots with waterproof chalk paint for easy labeling. Water early in the morning to reduce evaporation. Turn juice pouches into mini hanging planters. Add a little rice water to soil. It helps root growth. Install suction cup hooks on windows for mini hanging gardens. Use clear containers to see root growth. Fun for kids too. Save dry leaves to mix into compost or use as mulch. Keep tiny garden tools in a tool belt or apron. Wipe leaves with banana peels. Adds shine and nutrients. Use under bed storage boxes as shallow raised beds. Try air plants. No soil needed. Perfect for small spots. A small garden can still grow big joy. Ips. More small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Cut the bottom off a water bottle to make a mini cloche. Store seeds in mint tins. Compact and moisture safe. Keep herbs fresh by watering them with leftover ice water. Sprinkle a bit of cinnamon on soil to prevent mold. Grow radishes. Fast harvest. Very little space needed. Hang lightweight pots with suction cups on window glass. Paint rocks as garden markers. Cute and reusable. Use rubber bands to keep gloves from slipping off. Try growing a pineapple top in a jar. Fun and decorative. Stack old fruit baskets for layered vertical planting. Plant parsley near windows. It loves the sun and stays compact. Use tissue paper between seeds when planting to space them easily. Start a monthly garden challenge to stay motivated. Fill spray bottles with compost tea for a natural leaf boost. More small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Put ice cubes on soil to slowly water orchids and herbs. Use leftover herbal tea to water acid-loving plants. Cut milk jugs into scoops or watering cans. Use old egg cartons as seedling trays. Grow chives tiny, tasty, and easy in small pots. Attach baskets to curtain rods for window gardens. Decorate pots with waterproof markers for a fun look. Save cardboard rolls to protect seedlings from pests. Blend overripe bananas and pour into soil for nutrients. Turn a small ladder sideways for a multi-level plant rack. Sprinkle cornmeal to keep fungus at bay. Use one glove for gardening, one for holding your phone. Label each plant with its planting date on a tag. Dry herbs by hanging them upside down in a closet. Reuse facial mist bottles to gently water sprouts. More small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Use tea bags under soil for slow-release nutrients. Plant herbs in hanging colanders for drainage and charm. Grow berries in stockable pots to save space. Water plants with diluted vegetable cooking water. Keep garden tools in a hanging shoe organizer. Use a whiteboard to track watering and fertilizing days. Clean clay pots with baking soda and water to refresh them. Paint pebbles as cute garden labels or markers. Use crushed mint leaves to keep ants away. Install a tension rod indoors for hanging lightweight plants. Line cardboard boxes with plastic to make temporary, raised beds. Use dry grass clippings as mulch to keep soil moist. Refill travel bottles with neem oil spray for pest control. Grow cilantro in wide, shallow containers. Use diluted salt water to kill weeds in cracks. More small gardening secrets that will amaze everyone. Use empty spice jars as mini planters for herbs. Place a layer of bread at the bottom of pots to help retain moisture. Repurpose old toys or figurines as quirky plant holders. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth around plants to control pests naturally. Freeze leftover herbal tea and use it to water plants. Use old cereal boxes as plant markers or DIY garden dividers. Grow sprouts in mason jars on your kitchen counter. Soak cotton balls in water and place them in plant pots to retain moisture. Use a hanging shoe organizer for compact indoor gardening. Recycle plastic utensils as stakes or plant supports. Grow strawberries in an old vertical shoe rack for easy picking. Turn an old suitcase into a raised garden bed. Use leftover yarn to tie up climbing plants or vines. Grow flowers in old coffee mugs for a cute, compact display. Use salt water to kill weeds in cracks without harming plants. Grow plants in old washing machine drums for a fun, upcycled garden. Cut the top off a plastic bottle and turn it into a mini greenhouse. Reuse empty containers like yogurt cups for seed starters. Make your own compost bin out of an old trash can. Use a pair of kitchen tongs to transplant delicate seedlings. Repurpose an old ladder as a vertical plant shelf. Grow tomatoes in hanging baskets to save space. Use lemon peels as a natural insect repellent for plants. Cut a juice carton into a mini watering can for small plants. Create a vertical garden using old garden fencing and twine. Use small plastic cups for individual seed pots. Paint old jars with chalkboard paint and label plants easily. Repurpose old wood crates as rustic planter boxes for a chic look. Reuse plastic bottle bottoms as mini cloches for young plants. Add crushed eggshells around plants to deter slugs. Use citrus peel as compost to boost soil acidity. Repurpose mason jars as small herb planters. Use an old broom to sweep up soil and mess quickly. Keep plastic fruit containers for starting small seedlings. Make a vertical herb garden using a hanging shoe rack. Use suction cup planters for a unique window garden. Cover the base of trees with pine cones to keep weeds out. Turn an old glass bottle into a self-watering planter. Add a small amount of baking soda to water to help plants grow. Collect fallen leaves for mulch to preserve soil moisture. Use old stuffed animals as fun and quirky planters. Use orange rinds as a natural insect repellent for plants. Use an old milk jug as a self-watering container for plants. Place a sponge at the bottom of pots to help retain moisture. Turn an old drawer into a herb garden for a vintage touch. Use the top of a soda bottle as a funnel for watering small plants. Create a mini garden inside an old fish tank for a unique display. Use toy trucks or cars as planters for a fun, upcycled look. Reuse cupcake liners as plant protectors to catch excess water. Cut lemon wedges and place them in soil to repel pests. Turn a small laundry basket into a makeshift raised garden bed. Use an old spray bottle for misting and nurturing delicate plants. Use stale breadcrumbs as a natural mulch alternative. Grow herbs in mason jars on a windowsill for a simple indoor garden. Place eggshells in the soil to prevent root rot and add calcium. Plant succulents in old teacups for a whimsical garden display. Use a plastic fork as a mini plant stake to support seedlings. Use melon rinds as compost to nourish your soil. Reuse old wine bottles as plant waterers by poking holes in the caps. Repurpose cardboard toilet paper rolls as biodegradable seed starters. Sprinkle cinnamon around plants to keep fungus away. Use old baskets for growing strawberries or small flowers. Create a mini herb garden in an old spice rack. Use fall leaves to create a natural, free mulch for your plants. Recycle empty dish soap bottles for slow drip watering. Grow cherry tomatoes in a hanging basket for easy access. Use old toothpaste caps for tiny, precise watering. Add honey to water for a natural plant root stimulator. Attach small pots to the bottom of windowsills for an indoor garden. Reuse the bottom of soda bottles to make a DIY watering can. Repurpose empty spice jars for watering delicate plants. Use fallen autumn leaves as mulch to protect plants from cold. Grow mint in small pots. Its spread is easy to manage. Reuse apple cores and seeds to grow a small indoor apple tree. Turn old boots into quirky plant pots for a fun, rustic look. Freeze leftover coffee in ice cube trays to water plants slowly. Use old plastic lids as trays for small pots to catch excess water. Place coffee grounds in your garden for a natural nitrogen boost. Repurpose old ketchup or mustard bottles as squeezable planters. Grow strawberries in stacked containers to save space. Use an old wooden ladder as a vertical garden frame. Use citrus peels in the soil to boost plant growth naturally. Grow spinach and lettuce in shallow containers for fast, easy harvest. Use dry leaves as a natural weed barrier in flower beds. Use yogurt containers as mini greenhouses for seedlings. Grow sweet potatoes in water by placing the ends in jars with toothpicks. Use orange peels as a natural fertilizer for your plants. Reuse egg cartons to store and plant small seeds. Create a vertical garden using old fabric and nails for hanging. Turn a plastic bottle into a drip watering system for your plants. Use a muffin tin to grow small succulents or herbs. Add autumn leaves to compost for rich, nutrient-filled soil. Recycle an old milk jug as a watering can with small holes in the cap. Use empty eggshells as a natural fertilizer for tomatoes. Repurpose an old bread box as a plant storage container. Use a paper towel roll as a seed starter for easy transplanting. Fill an old birdcage with trailing plants for a unique decor piece. Turn an old laundry basket into a makeshift raised garden bed. Reuse old ketchup bottles for controlled, easy watering. Turn a small wooden crate into a charming herb garden. Use a plastic container lid as a mini tray for your pots. Repurpose toy dump trucks or cars as fun planters. Freeze leftover water from boiled veggies and use it to water plants. Use lemon rinds as an organic insect repellent in the garden. Place a thin layer of gravel in pots to improve drainage. Use a small watering can with a long spout to reach hard-to-reach plants. Add a tablespoon of honey to water for stronger root growth. Grow microgreens on a windowsill for fast, space-saving harvests. Use an old juice box as a waterproof seedling starter tray. Spread pine needles in the garden as natural weed control. Fill empty soap dispensers with diluted liquid fertilizer for easy feeding. Use citrus peels as a compost boost for your plants. Use old coffee mugs as unique planters for small plants. Place a layer of newspaper at the bottom of pots to prevent soil from escaping. Add compostable kitchen scraps to your garden beds for extra nutrients. Repurpose an old shoe rack as a vertical planter for herbs or flowers. Use empty bottles with small holes for slow-release watering. Sprinkle crushed seashells around plants to keep pests at bay. Turn an old teacup into a charming planter for tiny succulents. Use autumn leaves as a free and natural mulch for your garden beds. Repurpose an empty ketchup bottle for precise, small spot watering. Use old cereal boxes to create dividers for plant rows in garden beds. Grow small fruits like strawberries in hanging baskets to save space. Use twine to make plant ties for supporting growing vines. Add citrus peel to your compost to help keep